2, 1, start.
Okay.
Hello, Miss JP. So, right now I'm in my grandpa's workshop where he makes art and wood and making stuff out of wood. And come on, let's go over to the bench where he works at. So then you put that there and take this pencil and then, let's see. See how it's like that? And then you draw a line over to here. See?
Perfect. Let's see what that looks like. Nicely done. Okay.
And then that's how you make a square.
And so what's the next step? What do we have to do with that square?
And then we use this thing
which is called a bandsaw.
to cut right on the line. See this sharp saw? If you ever do come down here, do not touch that, because we'll slide this in and then that will cut this line until it gets here. You see, when I did here, that's way too close when this thing is on.
Okay. All right.
See this remote control thingy? And see this fan thing over there, or this tube that leads over there? And you see this on button? I press the button on top of it and I aim it that way.
And then you wait a little bit and
then it turns on.
whoa, okay.
And then you set this thing down over here. Right. Grandpa?
Right.
And then we turn on this thing over here. Should I turn it on?
Go ahead and turn it on.
See this thing over here? You pull it. Now that big thing is over there.
Wow. Okay, now we're going to push this through. I'm going to help you.
Yeah, and be very careful.
Yeah, super careful. Okay, here we go. Okay, now turn that off.
When you turn it off. Hi, Miss JP. Well, hi. And look. See this line is down the middle of this square?
So what happens when we cut that?
Well,
What will it become?
it will become two triangles.
Right.
And then, do you want to know how I drew it?
Yeah.
Not with this thing,
No.
not the square thingy, but with this piece. And then I did this.
And then drew the line.
Let's set this down over here.
Uh-huh.
Take the pencil. See how I'm putting the board on top of the other board?
Uh-huh.
Look.
Very nice.
Look at that.
Uh-huh.
Hi, Miss JP. See this thing? That's called a drill press. And look at this triangle over here. Do you see these X's on it? I see this right here, then you turn that on. See the laser light right there?
Yeah.
And then
That's where the drill's going to come down.
you turn this on. See how all of that is spinning? You can also not touch that when it's near.
Right.
See this right here? And this is called like tape.
Okay. Now bring it down.
And then this down onto there.
A little further. Go till it stops. Okay.
That's as far as it can go.
All right. Now the next one right there.
See that? X over there.
Yeah.
I'm drilling right into it. Like that.
And then we do another one right there. So what's left to do?
See this? All this bumpy stuff and this sander.
So what are you going to do with that?
Then you take this and put that on there. And then you just slide this along that.
Mm-hmm. And what does that do?
Smooths it out.
Mm-hmm. And you can also tip that a little bit and run it along the edges.
Yeah.
And the other way too. All right. Is it smoother now?
Way smoother.
Yeah.
And then you undo this thing.
The vise.
Yeah, you undo the vise by turning it that way.
And there you go. Explain what you're doing there, Milo.
Oh, hi. Right now I'm just clamping this triangle down
Okay.
so we can screw the nails in. Right in there.
Mm-hmm. That looks nice and tight.
Yeah.
Okay.
See this? The drill?
Mm-hmm.
See that screw?
Yep.
Let's go over here to the triangle again. Look. I put that right
You slide the sleeve down.
here. Oop. I forgot to slide the sleeve down.
Yeah.
It happens.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I Miss GP. Didn't see you there. You see these two triangles on this bookshelf? Those are gonna help the top of the bookshelf be stable. Wait,
Uh-huh.
let me show you.
So it doesn't wiggle like it used to?
Yeah, it used to wiggle. The bookshelf, on the top of the bookshelf, it used to wiggle. Ooh.
Okay.
And then you just push this last one down. And then look. You see how it used to wiggle. But look, now it doesn't wiggle as much.
Oh, it's just a little bit. That's okay. That amount is okay. Nicely done. That bookshelf is fixed.